This is amazing how quickly you can place assets and make environment in 10 to 15 minutes. It has lots of great tools and the water simulation is awesome. So here we are in Unreal Engine 5. My first reaction was it's look quite empty, and this took 2 hours to open after download, and still some shaders are preparing. So I thought let's find UE4 layout. Now it's looking great. Let's check some tabs. We have here, oh I don't forgot you buddy. Now let's place the character, and we can move the object with these arrows, and holding right mouse button we can see around. I think we don't need this character anymore, so delete it. Let's switch to landscape mode and create a landscape. I am watching Clint's live stream aka Punisher last Saturday, and I learned some basics from there and thought this is cool to work with. With this amazing tool you can sculpt this landscape however you want. Quixel Bridge, the coolest stuff with Unreal Engine 5. Look at these mega scans. These are really high detailed and awesome. I downloaded lots of stuff to make an environment. After downloading couple of assets, I thought it will be cool to make some horror environment inside Unreal Engine 5. So I found this kit with pillars, tables, crates and cabinets, etc. So I just downloaded them and placed however I want. The basics of navigating in Unreal Engine is you can hold right mouse button and move with WASD keys like first person shooter game, and with W you can get this move gizmo and you can move your object. With E you can rotate the object, and with R you can scale the object. So I corrected the scale of the object, and these pillars are modular, so I can increase their height by stacking this small piece. I added couple of lights. You can find this in actor tab next to mode in upper left corner. In the bottom right corner you can find the property of selected object, just like Blender. And I struggle lot with the material to find the tiling option where I can change its scale, because this is too dark and too large. In the content browser, if you double click on the material you will find this property. It's like Blender principal BSDF shader, where you can increase the scale of the textures and change its hue, saturation and its roughness value, etc. So I just increase the tiling option and on the X and Y axis, and it is looking very dense, so I just decrease it again. Then I added the wall texture, enable albedo and change its RGB value inside it. I found the wall material in the content browser, and I enabled albedo, and again I changed the RGB value so it will look more white and grayish kind of tiles. So the textures look good as I wanted, but the lighting is not proper, so I just play around with the lights, move them and also change its temperature and strength in the property panel in the bottom right. And then I have downloaded this fluorescent light asset. Let's place it on the ceiling and place the light inside it. there are still some issues. Fix them and do random things because it's horror room, so it has to be look horror. So for that I just placed some assets in the corners and just uh, change the rotation of the table so it will look messed up. And there are still some issues, one more pillar there and one here also with let's take this out and duplicate the light, delete this light bulb, one more there. For populating the scene I have added this plastic container, big one and small one, on the tables and on the ground. Also scale them so they look different. And I have downloaded more assets like cabinet and some trash cans. After downloading the cabinet I just placed this cabinet in the corners, duplicate it and placed more because hospital need to have some cabinet for their equipment. So for a perfect horror scene the main thing is blood, so I downloaded lots of blood decals and placed them in the scene, and then I started to animate the camera. So for the camera you can go to actor, virtual production and virtual camera, then just place it how you want it. And I struggle with the camera a lot, I don't know what the problem. When I rotate this it's doing this weird thing. Right click on the content browser while the content folder selected and add animation level sequence. You are in Premiere Pro now. I'm kidding, it's like Premiere Pro. You can go to track actor to sequence and search for object you want to animate. Add keyframe in starting and add keyframes in the end. There you go, that's it. Hope you guys like this video.